Good night, Dr. David Serdio. My name is Estrella Hernández, and today I'm going to be talking about the anthropological status of the embryo. So, a very controversial question that has been going on in the bioethical and philosophical fields is the one asking if the embryo is really a person. So, in order to answer these questions, we need to take into account and into consideration several aspects. So, in order to answer very straightforward, we can mention that yes, an embryo is in fact a person. I divided them into 3 points of why. Beginning with the fact that it comes from another human being. Because of biology, we understand that a human being cannot give rise to any other species other than human. Therefore, we can understand that an embryo will result in a human. This takes me to the second point, that will be the one of potentiality. An embryo has the potential for developing certain characteristics that will distinguish it from other living beings. And because of the human rights, we can also understand that human beings inherently have dignity, which, as I previously stated, an embryo will in fact become a human. Therefore, it will have dignity, having it tied to personhood. In bioethics, when we talk about human and person, we can say that it arises from a discussion of moral status and the extent of rights and protections an entity deserves, therefore claiming autonomy, respect, and moral consideration as well. So, this concept of potentiality also takes me to the concept of graduality, which refers to the idea that personhood or full moral status is not necessarily acquired at a single definitive moment, like conception or birth, but rather develops incrementally over time as the embryo develops the certain characteristics that I was previously exposing in the second point, and until it reaches the specific stages of development, resulting in birth. To finish up, also we can say that the ontological status of the human embryo refers to its unique identity and intrinsic nature as a human being from its inception. For this unique identity, we can also claim that the embryos have DNA, because from the moment of fertilization, the embryo possesses a unique and complete human genome, distinct from either parent. And this genetic uniqueness is seen as the individual identity as well, making it not only a collection of cells, but rather a distinct individual with its own genetic blueprint. So, for all of these reasons, we can state that yes, in fact, an embryo can and is in fact a person. Thank you so much.